Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the converter's ratings and why it matters. Mismatched voltage burns components. Once done, power off all sources and secure a proper ground. This prevents shorts. You will route the input line next, keeping about 6 inches from hot parts so thermal drift stays low. Make sure to label wires 1, 2, 3 for later. Start the first terminal connection on the input side, tightening to spec to ensure low resistance and reliable contact. Once mounted, you attach the output line and route it to the load. This preserves signal integrity and reduces interference. Make sure to install an inline fuse sized to about 125% of expected operating current so you avoid nuisance trips. Then configure the converter. Set DIP switches or load the software profile to choose output mode and trim voltage, because the converter needs correct feedback settings to regulate tightly. Finally, check torque. You power up the system under a minimal, known load and watch the output with a digital multimeter and an oscilloscope to verify voltage, ripple, and stability. If the voltage is off target, first check the sense lead wiring and trim adjustments, because wrong sensing yields persistent error. Also inspect solder joints and terminal tightness for intermittent contact. If something goes wrong, use a current-limited bench supply while you troubleshoot. It protects the converter and downstream components from accidental overload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.